Hi there, me again. Today I'm showing you 4 courses to kickstart your AI journey. These 4 courses I recommended is for those who are absolutely beginner in the AI as well as programming, because it not only covers the AI courses but also programming courses. The first course I'm recommending is version control with Git. What is Git? It's like a record system to keep your code recorded virtually. It's able to help you to keep track your coding progress. This is very important, especially right now. The industry is follow the Git standard to maintain a good quality as well as the team work when doing some project on it. Alright, this is the first one. Alright, the second one is the introductions to Python programming, which is in this course you will learn the fundamental of the Python, because Python is the most popular programming language in the world, but also it's very well implemented in AI and data science scenes, which is you'll be very beneficial from these courses because later on you're going to use the Python to do some AI project. Hey, the third one will be introductions to machine learning course. This course will teach you the most fundamental machine learning knowledge. For example, like gradient descents, logistic regressions, what is the process of doing machine learning. You will learn a lot of the fundamental knowledge, will be very important in the later course. Alright, let's come to the last one, the intro to deep learning with PyTorch. Yeah, as you can see, PyTorch is invented by Facebook AI Lab. So in this course, you will learn the basic of deep learning and build your own deep neural network using PyTorch. You will get practical experience with PyTorch through coding experience and project implement. I stopped reading the description already. In short, you will be very beneficial from this, and I hope that throughout these 4 courses, we're able to help you to kickstart your AI journey. Yeah, enjoy. Bye.